a stroller that folds itself with one hand really be travel friendly, even if it doesn't fit in an overhead bin?
We're trying the Nuna Travel in case you aren't able to.
Starting with what you'll love about it. All right, the bread and butter of this travel stroller is that it folds itself with one hand. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Bada bing.
Wait.
I know.
I didn't know it did that.
Look at that. And when you do that, it stands on its own.
That's nice.
It's like a 1 second, one-handed fold.
That was like a magic trick.
Right? When it comes to size and weight, it is very lightweight.
Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is really light.
Because it's a travel stroller, just taking it with you.
This feels so comfortable going through the airport, security. This is gonna be really convenient.
So when it comes to the materials, similar to other Nunas, it is made of really high quality fabrics and a leatherette handlebar and bumper bar.
The canopy is really great too. It also has a peekaboo window and it has this little shade cover, which is really nice for like warmer climate.
And similar to the other Nuna strollers, it does have that great magnetic clasp for the peekaboo window, but when you open it, it does flap in the wind.
Yeah.
And it doesn't stay in place as much as you'd like it to. In terms of newborn compatibility, this travel stroller is actually compatible with the Nuna PIPA without an adapter.
Oh, that's nice.
So all you have to do is literally plop the car seat on and the bumper bar acts as the tether.
When it comes to the storage space, there is a lot of room underneath and it's gonna hold up to 10 pounds, which is really great, especially for traveling. And it's really nice too because the opening in the back and the front, you can kind of put your bags either way.
When it comes to ride and maneuverability, there's a lot to love about this travel stroller. So it has all-wheel suspensions, front locking wheels, and you can maneuver this with one hand.
That's a game changer for sure.
Especially when you're traveling, you got luggage, you got your baby, all the things.
I'll take it on some grass.
We love a smooth turn.
That's really smooth.
Now let's talk about some things that might not work for you. While overall it is a smooth ride, it might not work on all terrains due to its lightweight frame.
Oh yeah, so definitely I can feel it on the cobblestone.
Which I think is typical of most travel strollers.
With travel strollers, you're gonna feel a little more bumpier ride.
All right, now this is a big one for our fellow travel parent. This only fits in some overhead bins.
Oof, that's tough because if not, you do have to gate check it. And honestly, I get a little scared and I have to gate check because I don't know if they're gonna handle it with care. So I do think I would rather have it on the plane with me.
As far as the recline, it doesn't recline fully flat.
Also, it doesn't support a bassinet.
And it has a shorter backrest, so it might not be as comfortable for taller toddlers. As for the leg rest, it is adjustable, so it can go down, middle, or up, but it only locks at the midpoint. It's not exactly as sturdy if you have it down because it can just flop, pretty flimsy.
There are some limitations when it comes to adjustability.
The handlebar is fixed as well as the bumper bar, and the seat is not reversible, so it's only forward facing.
I feel like that's pretty standard though for most travel strollers. So something worth mentioning, this does work with all Nuna infant car seats. However, it doesn't work with other brands.
This is not made for multiple children, so you can't add an additional seat or have a rider board. It's a one-child travel stroller. As for value and affordability, similar to other Nuna strollers, it is on the higher end of the price point, but it is made of high quality materials.
You get all those premium features and it comes with a travel bag.
So what's our final take?
The Nuna Travel is great if you want a lightweight and compact stroller, especially for traveling.
It features a one-handed self-fold, is compatible with all Nuna infant car seats, and has smooth maneuverability.
However, if you're looking for more storage, additional car seat compatibility, or something that fits in an overhead bin, the Nuna Travel might not be the stroller for you.
Do you have more questions about the Nuna Travel?
Or is there other baby gear you'd like to see us try? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching Babylist Tries It, where we try baby gear in case you aren't able to.